Hi everyone, how you doing? My name's Max Charles, and I'm moving into my sophomore year at Midland College. This is a bit about myself for this class this year. So first off, I am from Australia. I'm from Melbourne, Victoria, which is down the um, bottom right. Is the best way to explain it, I guess. I'm from the northern suburbs from Melbourne, which is the city. Um, And yeah, it's pretty much all I can tell you about Australia. It's a pretty cool place. I've known a lot of Americans who have want to go, and I'd highly recommend anyone who would like to go. Uh, this is me. So I'm on the golf team at Midland College, and will be again this year. It's a lot of fun. There's a lot of people I've met through the first year that I've been playing. A lot of friendships that are going to be lifetime friendships, I believe. So um, it's been good so far, and I look forward to the year that we have next year. We've finished third at the national championships, and we were number one moving into the nationals. So we had a successful year, and yeah, I think all the guys are still pretty positive moving into next year, which is good. Um, Next, so this is a bit about my family. So the top left photo is a photo of my brother and I. So I've got a younger brother. He's 16 years old. Um, he lives with me, and yeah, we get along really well. He also plays golf, which is good. So that's something we like to do just for fun for both of us. Um, and the rest of the photos you see there, so the bottom left is my mum and I, and the top right is my whole family. So we're a family of four. My mum's 47 years old and my dad's 44 years old. Um, and yeah, we're all pretty close with each other. This is my dog. He's 9 years old. He's a Staffy. So yeah, he's all we've got now. We lost our other dog last year, so uh, he's come pretty close with the family. Um, this is a photo of all my friends. These are all my mates that had come over last year when I come back for a visit over Christmas. Um, I'm pretty close with all of them, and they're all really good guys. So they're all really supportive as well of me being overseas. So it was good to see them, and it's good to see them while I'm back home now as well. So this is when I'm home. I work with my dad. He owns his own construction company, so I do a bit of work with him just for money, to get me by while I'm overseas and back here as well. So yeah, he's owned his own company for, I think it's been 11 years now. So the company's going well, and yeah, I really enjoy working for him. It's really good fun, and he has a good bunch of guys that work with him also, so that definitely helps. Lastly, just a bit of stuff that I like to do for fun. So this is a photo, a few photos from my cousin and I, who are like brothers. We're really close. We went skydiving last year. Yeah, other things I like to do is fishing, going to the beach, surfing, um, hanging out with mates is good. So yeah, that's a bit about me. Hope you liked it, and look forward to being in the class this year. Thank you.